Hello, hello, hello. Alright, so this is the thing that I got from IGG. Box looks very sketchy. Dress Up Time Princess. When I seen that, I was like, did they even send me the right package? But apparently it is the right package. It's the box. Okay, it looks like it's just a peel up. And let's see what we get. Feels pretty bulky, but I don't think that really means anything. It's just a little card. And of course, and we got this. Looks kind of cute. Looks pretty cool. Not sure what it's supposed to be, but I guess it's supposed to be the bunny. Just with a bunch of added stuff to it, I guess. It's weird. Anyway, yeah, that's what I got. That's what I just finished unboxing. Kind of cool. First thing from them. Not a very exciting video, but that's what it is. Anyway, have a good day. Take care, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye, and good luck.